I love to recognize girls with long, clean, shining and flowing hair. They may be so attractive, demure and horny. But males with lengthy, unkempt hair provide me the creeps. I don't need to imagine what is hidden in that grimy unwashed hair. One of the capabilities of hair is to regulate the body temperature. Hair serves as a physical barrier between external bloodless air and the skin, and it additionally traps heat air in between the pores and skin and the hair. In that manner, a person will not be afflicted by extreme bloodless. If men preserve lengthy hair for that function, I'll suppose it's first rate to achieve this, but the hair needs to be properly maintained. As we age, our bodily look gradually adjustments. The overall hair density changes and the strands of hair end up finer. Quickly thinning takes place so that it will sooner or later result in hair loss. We all shed approximately 100 hairs every day, however, in case you're dropping extra than that, then you could have a few other problems. Some may be experiencing woman pattern hair loss, also called androgenetic alopecia. This has a robust genetic hyperlink, a genetic circumstance probably inherited out of your mother's or father's side. Even though you cannot alternate your genes, there are different ways which you can do to defend and preserve your crown. Dropping one's hair may be deeply distressing and influences all age agencies, mainly women. Whether it is due to awful genes, hormonal imbalance, poor weight reduction plan or maybe strain, the effect is the identical. Devastating. Although it is not unusual information, that hair thinning is a phenomenon so natural in existence, it would not mean that we should receive it and do nothing. There are many solutions to tackle the hassle. Think about lifestyle adjustments. Hair prospers on protein, iron, zinc and nutrition B12. So, deciding on the right foods with the right vitamins will assist to preserve the hair strong and healthy. If you're a vegetarian and anemic, you lack iron for your body that's essential for healthful hair. Therefore, ensure you consume lots of leafy vegetables consisting of spinach, kale, beans, tofu, peas and nuts. For non-vegetarians, further to the above, you may take pork, different lean meat and fish. Rub down the scalp with some coconut oil using your finger guidelines in a round movement for numerous minutes earlier than washing. This motion improves the blood movement to the scalp to encourage better hair boom. At some point of shampooing, maintain the rub down as you wash. This could invigorate the hair roots even extra. After washing, permit the hair air dry, as hair dryers and irons are too warm and could harm the hair. We should understand that handiest broken or sick hairs drop off, so we ought to be gentle to attend to them. However, if you need heated equipment, select those with adjustable settings and preserve them at the lowest level when using them. In general, the much less warmth you operate, the higher. You may see less hair breakage, which makes hair searching thinner. When the hair is wet, you ought to brush it lightly with an extensive combed brush. Every other component that reasons hair loss is pressure because of a few difficult instances, consisting of an activity loss, a divorce and the lack of a loved one. We must cast off that stress and exchange the thought set to suppose undoubtedly. Practice deep breathing in through the nostril, and respiratory out via the mouth, for numerous minutes, a few times an afternoon. If you're underneath constant stress, it is correct to master meditation. While your thoughts is obvious, comfy and peaceful, and your body is fed with the right nutrients-packed meals in a smooth and healthful environment, your hair will thanks. You'll live youthful with a head complete of hair. Most of the goods advertised today do now not deal with the fundamental and physiological elements of the hair loss problem. It's frustrating to observe your hair receives thinner and disappointing to use prescriptions for months without seeing any high-quality outcomes. You want to discover the way to restore your frame's potential to create the critical enzymes to nurture your hair follicles. You deserve a younger look with vibrant hair. Check in the description on how to use stem cell therapy for your hair and general body health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more health-related issue or ask me in the comment section.